Boost serious muscle growth with a high-protein drink. There are a lot of theories out there about bodybuilding and how to gain serious muscle mass. Some trainers and experts will tell you that you have to lift heavy weights and use low repetitions, while others insist upon high repetition sets with lighter weights. You could spend your whole life trying different systems to find out which one truly builds the most muscle mass. In fact, the best approach is probably to vary your workouts to cause muscle confusion and stimulate new growth. While everyone may never agree on the one best system of exercise to grow muscle, there's one thing that all the experts agree on. Drinking a high-protein drink is a great way to help your body make muscle mass gains. Protein intake is essential. If you're serious about adding muscle to your body, you've got to add protein. There's no other nutrient that can be used by the human body to grow new muscle mass. Some animals can actually assimilate carbohydrates into muscle mass. Gorillas, for example, eat diets that are pretty low in protein, but they pack on a lot of muscle. Human beings aren't so lucky though. If we want to add muscle, we can't simply eat a few more bananas. Our physiology demands a constant intake of proteins in order to add muscle mass. If you're thinking that a supposedly healthy diet of salads and fruits is going to do the trick, you'll soon find out that that kind of eating plan just doesn't work. You need protein, and one of the easiest ways to get it is to drink a high-protein drink supplement as a regular part of your daily eating plan. Whole food protein sources, but while it's helpful to add a high-protein drink or two to your regular diet, you can't live on protein powder alone. Your body needs the majority of its protein to come from whole food sources. Luckily, you don't have to go broke at the grocery store to buy foods that are loaded with helpful proteins. Some of the most common foods that you can find at every major grocery store can make up the foundation of your diet. Here are some simple, affordable foods to add to your grocery list. Chicken breast, tuna fish, lean beef, egg whites, peanut butter, also includes healthy fats your body needs, yogurt, cottage cheese, lean pork cuts. As you can see, you have plenty of choices, just from this small list of low-fat, high-protein foods, to make a wide variety of meals and snacks. Don't restrict your diet to protein only. As important as increased protein intake is, it can't be the only thing you eat. If your diet gets so far out of balance that you don't get enough healthy fats, fiber, and complex carbohydrates, your muscles will not grow. You may be stuffing your body full of ample amounts of protein, you'll be short-circuiting your body's natural processes. Studies have shown that people who eat meals that are almost entirely protein-based can suffer kidney damage and are also prone to other illnesses. Raising your protein levels should not be accompanied by lowering other macronutrients in your diet. Remember to use a common-sense approach. Drinking a high-protein drink is a great idea, but make sure that you are getting a wide variety of other healthy foods too. The best time to have a high-protein drink. There's really no wrong time for a high-protein drink. The great thing about supplemental protein powders and ready-made drinks is that you can have them at virtually any time of the day. If you're one of those people who finds that you rush out of the house without eating breakfast, have a quick high-protein drink to start your day. By taking a few minutes to have something filled with high-quality, readily absorbed proteins, you'll find that you function a lot better during the early hours of your day. Protein drinks work great as between meal snacks too. If you find yourself eating snack foods that aren't good for you, try replacing them with a high-protein drink. You'll be less likely to indulge in overeating at your next meal. Never ignore your body when you feel hungry. Just choose high-protein drinks instead of the typical junk food. Post-workout nutrition. While any time can be right for drinking a high-protein drink, there's one time where you need to make sure that you have a good protein drink on hand. The hour immediately after a hard workout is the most important time for you to get some high-quality proteins in your body so that you can recover and start adding muscle. A dose of protein after you've hit the weights hard will be one of the best steps you can take to improve your physique. Bodybuilders and weightlifters who make consistent gains know that post-workout nutrition, in the form of a high-protein drink, is a way to help your body make the muscle gains you desire. Visit Protica.com to learn more.